Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, I'm thrilled to share something that could completely change how we think about cameras, specifically the upcoming OM system OM-5 Mark II. If you're a camera enthusiast, you'll want to stick around until the very end because the revelations I'm about to unveil are groundbreaking. This isn't just another camera update. It's a complete game changer, especially for Micro Four Thirds (MFT) systems. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Let's get into it. Revolutionary sensor technology. The OM system OM-5 Mark II is not just an incremental upgrade. Based on trusted insider reports, it's poised to redefine what Micro Four Thirds cameras can achieve. At its core is a refined 20.4 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor. But here's where things get exciting. The sensor architecture has been completely overhauled to improve light-gathering efficiency by up to 40%, which means better performance in low-light conditions. Recent prototype testing has revealed stunning results. A wildlife photographer captured sharp, detailed images in near darkness, something previously thought impossible for cameras in this category. This new pixel layout is designed to enhance dynamic range, color accuracy, and overall image quality. In short, the OM-5 Mark II could rival cameras with much larger sensors. Processor powerhouse, TrueMic X. The camera is rumored to feature the all-new TrueMic X processor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This powerhouse processor boasts dedicated AI cores optimized for real-time subject recognition and tracking, making it ideal for fast-paced action shots and wildlife photography. During a recent test, a photographer captured a cheetah chasing prey, and the OM-5 Mark II maintained perfect focus throughout the sequence. This level of precision tracking has never been seen in a camera at this price point. Imagine the possibilities for sports photography or event coverage, where split-second accuracy is essential. Unmatched autofocus system. Autofocus is another area where the OM-5 Mark II truly shines. It retains a 210-point phase detection system, but the AI-driven tracking technology takes things to the next level. According to reports, the camera can lock onto and track a hummingbird's eye while it flits between flowers, a feat previously reserved for cameras costing thousands more. This breakthrough comes from a new algorithm that predicts subject movement in 3D space, ensuring sharp focus even when the subject is partially obscured. Sports photographers who tested the camera noted its ability to maintain focus on a racing motorcycle, even when other riders blocked the view momentarily. Stabilization like never before. The OM-5 Mark II introduces 7.5 stops of stabilization, a leap from the already impressive 5-axis stabilization in its predecessor. This means you can capture handheld shots with a level of sharpness that rivals tripod-mounted cameras. During testing, one user managed a 30-second handheld exposure, and the results were tack-sharp. The system includes a new, highly sensitive gyro sensor that enhances motion detection and compensation. Whether you're shooting in low light or using a drone in windy conditions, this stabilization system ensures smooth, professional-grade results. Video capabilities that amaze. For videographers, the OM-5 Mark II is a dream come true. It supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and Full HD at 240 frames per second, allowing for stunning slow-motion footage. The real breakthrough, however, is its advanced video compression algorithm, which reduces file sizes by up to 40% without sacrificing quality. A tester reportedly shot an entire wedding ceremony in 4K 60 frames per second without changing memory cards or worrying about overheating. This makes the camera perfect for extended shoots, where reliability is crucial. The lightweight body and weather sealing further enhance its appeal for professional videographers. Enhanced weather sealing. Speaking of durability, the OM-5 Mark II takes weather sealing to a whole new level. During testing in Iceland, it withstood 4 hours of heavy rain and sea spray without any issues. One prototype even survived a fall into a shallow stream, thanks to its advanced sealing system that kept water out entirely. This rugged build quality makes it an excellent choice for adventure photographers and those who frequently shoot in challenging environments. Smart connectivity and workflow. Connectivity is another area where the OM-5 Mark II excels. It offers improved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with transfer speeds twice as fast as the current model. But the real innovation is the smart transfer system, which automatically backs up your images to a connected device while you shoot. Imagine finishing a long day of shooting without worrying about manual file transfers. One wedding photographer described this feature as a workflow revolution, enabling them to deliver preview images to clients before even leaving the venue. Battery life that lasts. Battery life has also seen a significant upgrade. The OM-5 Mark II features a new power management system that extends shooting time by up to 50%. This includes a sleep mode that wakes the camera and locks focus in just 0.3 seconds. During wildlife photography tests, a single charge powered over 1,000 images and several hours of video, making it one of the most efficient cameras in its class. Game-changing adaptive sensor. Here's the feature that truly sets the OM-5 Mark II apart: its adaptive sensor technology. This innovative system can physically reconfigure its pixel layout based on lighting conditions. In bright environments, it prioritizes dynamic range and detail, while in low light, it maximizes light-gathering capabilities without increasing noise. This adaptive behavior could eliminate one of the biggest drawbacks of micro Four Thirds cameras: poor low-light performance. Early tests showed the camera seamlessly transitioning from shooting sunset to capturing detailed images in near darkness, all without changing settings. Pricing and value. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to launch at a price between $1,300 and $1,500, slightly higher than its predecessor. However, considering the numerous technological advancements, this price is a bargain for what you're getting. From professional-level features to exceptional durability, this camera is designed to appeal to both enthusiasts and professionals. Conclusion: if you're considering upgrading your camera, the OM System OM-5 Mark II is worth waiting for. With its revolutionary features, enhanced performance, and unbeatable value, it's set to become a game-changer in the micro Four Thirds market. Thank you for tuning in to technology in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting us by joining our membership program or sending a super thanks. Stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.